Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's day again. It's a little dark in here now. It's whatever. So today I got my package for what I ordered from Beautylish. Now if you guys don't know, Beautylish is a company where it has all kinds of new makeup releases and stuff. They have their own brands like Jeffree Star, Benefit, you know. And you can do payments, which is kind of convenient sometimes depending on how much your order is. Basically, how much your order is, you can split it up into 3 or 4 payments, but I decided to do it today because it just gets here within 2 days and instead of like a week or 2. So here's this big old box. So I'm going to open it really quick. So I got the box open. It looks cute is whenever you order anything from Jeffree Star, it's got this paper right here. Now the paper is all of Jeffree Star's tattoos, and I don't know why it just got really dark. So let me turn up my brightness. There we go, that's kind of better. Not really, I don't understand why it just got so dark. It's as good as we're gonna get, so I'm going to... I have so much of this paper. I took everything out of the box. So the first thing I got was a mirror. Now, as you guys saw in my last video, I needed a new mirror, like really bad. So I got the mirror that I've been wanting. Now, if I could possibly open up the box really quick. So here is the mirror, and you guys could tell by my old shirt, well, by my Jeffree shirt, that I love his popsicle design because I have the creamsicle shirt, so I have the matching mirror. So this is a square mirror this time, and it's just so pretty. It's got like these ripples in the back. It's got his it says Jeffree Star right there, and then right here it's got his artwork or his logo. So I got that creamsicle thing, and then in this thing are 3 products that I wanted so bad and finally got whenever it launched. First they got me a eye cream, Confidence in an Eye Cream. I love this stuff and I did not order this, but they gave me a little sample pot, so thank you so much, Beautylish. I love that. Then I finally got the Benefit Brow Contour Pro. This is the 4-in-1 contour pencil. This is in the shade brown medium. So on this one you can shape it and deepen your eyebrow, highlight it and define the edges. And what's cool about this is it gives you like old school vibes, and it feels really cheap, but it's really not. So this is the deep shade. Okay, so you guys have to push it a lot to get the product. Okay, that makes sense. So I did get this. This is $34. And I love the Benefit brow pencil anyway. But the next few things are what I mainly place an order for. They are the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Liquid Frost, and I got 2 shades. This one, just look at the packaging. It's holographic swirls. It's called Liquid Frost, and I got one in the shade of Ice Queen and Frozen Peach. Now, I did have to shave my arms for this to show you guys, so just bear with me because I have some I cut myself with my razor right here. It's just, oh, this is so pretty. Comes in this frosted glass jar thing, and it just says Liquid Frost. There is 1.1 fluid ounces in here. This retails for $25, and let's just go ahead and open it. Scent wise, it kind of just doesn't really have a scent. But what shade is this? This one is Ice Queen. So I'm going to do swatches right here on this part of my arm, or no, on this part, well, on one part of my arm, and then I'm going to do swatches of Frozen Peach. So with this, you just push this top right here and it picks up some product, and then you put it on your arm, and then you put it back. So normally people do with their hands, but I have my artiste brush right here, and I'm just going to place this all on my arm. And this is the shade with the lilac and lavender undertones, and it is just so gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can tell, it's very gorgeous actually. So I'm going to then put Frozen Peach right here. Let me unbox this same way, just whoa, this color is pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and just swirl it around all over my arm with my hands this time, see if it makes a difference. And I did have the Rihanna Fenty Beauty body lava before, and it was awful, just so sticky, but this one is not sticky at all, and I just love it so much. But yeah, so that is actually all that I got this time. I normally place bigger orders, but I just really ordered for this stuff right here. I hope you guys love this video. Make sure you guys press that thumbs up button, subscribe if you want to, like this video. I just said that, LOL, oops. So, love you guys so much. Bye.